the severe cyclonic storm Asani over West Central Bay and adjoining Southwest Bay of Bengal now lies over the same region, and it is at about 300 kilometers southeast of Kakinada and 330 kilometers south-southeast of Visakhapatnam. It is likely to move further northwestwards till tonight, that is 10th May 2022, and thereafter it is likely to move northeastwards and recurve and weaken as a cyclonic storm during next 24 hours over the northwest Bay of Bengal of Andhra and Odisha coast. Due to its influence, there is likelihood of rainfall at a few places over north coastal Andhra Pradesh, with isolated heavy falls over the districts of Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Visakhapatnam and East Godavari, and there is also an isolated activity over West Godavari district.
So what about port warnings?
Port warnings. Now, because the system is lying over the West Central Bay and adjoining Southwest Bay, we advised all the ports to furl the distant warning signal number 2 with section signal number 2 and 4 over Kakinada and Gangavaram.